Hello, is English for Business. I'm here to present my observation about the company, namely the Orang Tua company. First, I am introduced my name. My name is Robi Akbar Maulana. I'm from Management 20D. And next is wait. And the next is Orang Tua. Orang Tua is one of the Sonrumers product business group in Indonesia. About Orang Tua. Of OT or Orang Tua is a customer goods company that products a wide range of daily needs specialists. They produce products such as drink, food, and personal care. Orang Tua is a consumer goods company that products a wide range of daily necessities, from a traditional health drink with consistent use of high quality ingredients and standards process. Orang Tua is increasingly become a modern enterprise without parting from the positive values and dignity introduced by company founder. Our product, ranging from food and beverage to personal care product, have since long been part of life for Indonesian customers. Our established brand include Formula, Tango, Teh Gelas, Mints, Blaster, Ops, and Kiranti. In point of fact, for its quality, Orang Tua products are offered in the international market, so can now also be enjoyed abroad. With a focus on customers' needs and top ongoing innovation, Orang Tua has launched superior products that were granted various awards from national and internationally recognized survey organizations. Our achievement cannot be separate from the support of customers, employees, and the values that we have believed from the beginning. The trust and hard work of many different parties have formed Orang Tua into a company that is committed to constantly improve on product and work processes to meet all customers' needs. And the next is Orang Tua history. In the 1958, Orang Tua began its journey in Indonesia with traditional heat drinks. In this year, Orang Tua began this journey in Indonesia with traditional heat drinks. In those early years, public acceptance of this product was good and Orang Tua expanded rapidly. Hence, Orang Tua built a second factory in Jakarta to support its cooperation in Semarang. And in the 1984, along with charging consumers' need for everyday products, Orang Tua decided to venture into the business of consumers' goods by investing in construction of production vessels and business units. Chris Holding Company in the name ADA, Attention, Direction, and Action. Which made available in the Indonesian language business development products, diversification, and increasing products. Capacity continue to be target of a successful run. In this year, Orang Tua appointed PT Arta Boga Cemerlang as its sole distributor, as trusted with holding handling and management of the orang tua products distribution channel throughout Indonesia. In the 1995 in this year ada was renamed orang tua. This year the orang tua logo was modernized again to be better reflect orang tua as a dynamic energy. Sorry. In this year ada was renamed orang tua. The risks, brand history and core values has rooted well in Indonesia society, which presented a hook advantage for the company after changing the name the business development rapidly. In line with the progress, orang tua decided to make change to logo that same year. And the 2000 204 is this year orang tua logo was modernized again to better reflect orang tua as a dynamic, energetic, and youthful consumer goods companies becomes a source of pride for its employees. At present, the business is still growing with the additional of the other orang tua business units and new product. Example is foods, wafer, biscuits, chocolate, candies, nuts, and dessert. Beverage is ready to drink tea and healthy drinks. Personal care, dental and mouth care, hair product, and razors. And the next is value. Value is included with trust, integrity, relationship, winning spirit, innovation. Number one is include with trust. Fight to good within work. As good said, I believe and I do. I do what I can. Good will do what I cannot. Number two is integrity. Integrity, honest of compromising towards prudence or deviation and crowd goes towards honesty and responsibility. And the next is self-commitment towards character development in contractually to personal gain, towards people rather than material possessions, towards service rather than authority, towards principle rather than happiness, and towards long-term in contrary to short-term. The next is relationship. A healthy relationship, constructive and mutually reinforcing between customers, employees, stakeholders, and society. We would like to build a steady relationship between customers, employees, and their families, stakeholders, and other related parties based on faith, transparency, empathy, mutual respect, and trust in order to acture and improve shared perspective. And the next is winning spirit. A winner, we have passion and determination in order to overcome obstacle in every way. We have the spirit of a winner and we think as a winner. We prepare ourselves to become winners. Work as a winner as well as having the determination to consistently learn, practice, and become capable within work in order to provide consistently improving results. The next is innovation. Having the courage to change, clever in seeking, exploring, and discovering innovative solutions. For yes, innovation means being able to carefully seek, explore, discover, and try new ideas. As the well, having the conscience to change order to consistently learn, practice, and become capable, as well as employing technological developments to continuously improve their prosperity. The next is orang tua, founded by Chandra Jojonegoro in Semarang, and has its head office in Jakarta. This company has more than 5,000 employees. subsidiary of orang tua. Number one is PT Arta Boga Cemerlang or Arta Boga, PT Ultra Prima Abadi, PT Paper Tri Investama, PT CS2 Pola Sehat, PT Perindustrian Bapak Jekot, PT Ultra Prima Plus, PT Tara Reta Retail Indonesia or Orang Tua Retail, PT Casa Verde Indonesia or CVI. The next is Arta Boga Cemerlang. Arta Boga Cemerlang becomes the sole distributor of Orang Tua and success in delivering of Orang Tua products to consumers spread trucks Indonesia. This is example of products Orang Tua Group. The products is OOPS, Tenggo, means Kiranti, Teh Gelas, Kristalin, and Formula. This is the product. The next is stakes of paying employees. Number one, administrative selection stake. Wait. Arta Boga Cemerlang. Stands 9,085. PT Arta Boga Cemerlang start has journey in distribution. Thanks to hard effort and continued commitment to always provide the best. Arta Boga Cemerlang was able to gain recognition as the best distributor company in Indonesia. The award as the best food distribution has been achieved every year at the IMAX or Indonesia Most Admired Company Corporate IMAX Award. Arta Boga Cemerlang believes that trustworthiness in the most important things, therefore prioritizing professionalism, punctuality in delivery, and weight coverage area. Arta Boga Cemerlang become the sole distribution of Orang Tua and success in delivering of Orang Tua products to consumer spread trucks Indonesia. The next is stakes of. The next is Arta Boga Cemerlang was a strong distribution and logistics network, both in big cities and small cities throughout Indonesia, and its experience in marketing various product categories, ranging from products with short life cycles that require complex supervision to innovate products that require special handy process. The next is stakes of paying an employer. Number one is administrative selection stake. Yaps, if you want to pick out for a job test, of course, we have to apply first. To find Orang Tua Group vacancies, you can go to jobseats.com or go to Orang Tua web directly. Forget if the best administration, we will definitely be called for the next test, namely is number 2 is physical test. For this test, there will be many friends because the Orang Tua Group has several companies, namely PT CS2 Healthy Plantain which product glass tea, Kristalin, and etc. And PT Ultra Prima Abadi which products Tenggo, wafers, OOPS, and etc. And many more. They are around 9 companies. Now for the physical test, you will under several tests, namely what equations, opposite words, number series, math problem, and etc. Number 3 is air interview. Now if you pass the physical test, you will process the next text, namely the HRD interview. At the HRD interview, you will be asked about the organization, colleagues, do you know the people who work at Orang Tua, and our personality. Well, here is written the fact about the path we are applying for So it's happened, and that time is was left. So happened the book. Number 5 is interview user. Yes, the last text is the user interview. If you pass the hierarchy interview, you will process the user interview. At the time, I immediately had a full day. At the time, the user was my senior in college. So in this actual question about work, they often talk about the lecture and etc. Usually, when asked about the job we are applying for, the user there are vacant guys. Not our only our intelligence, but match with our boss later there. The next is achievement. Our ongoing commitment to innovation and products quality has successfully pushed use for what from one or what to the next. Example is ICSA, Indonesia Customer Satisfaction Award, and top brands. And then International Test Institute, Brussels. And the next is thank you for the attention. If there are mistakes, I'm sorry. Thank you for attention. Goodbye. Goodbye.